Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I've shown you how to ripe the avocado nicely, and today I will do a quick video of how to enjoy this delicious fruit after you ripe them. So today I will show you how to make an avocado smoothie with these yummy. So here I have a couple of avocados ready ripe and ready to go. So I will scoop this into the blender. So here first we'll add the avocado in here. Every bit of it. In here, I'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and about 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. And in 2 cups of ice. Ready? Lock it up. Turn on. And let it give it a little stir. And go. Alright, so it's done. And it looks so delicious and creamy. This is how it looks. So creamy. And look at that. It is so creamy. Yeah. Look at that. The little boy knows what I'm making, and guess what? It's kind of like flour and bees. Yeah. Bees and flour. He's already came, so we're gonna have to feed him some of this good stuff. It looks a little funky, isn't it? But I'm pretty sure I'll tell you it's good. It looks funky, but it tastes good. Just a few minutes, you have a great glass of smoothie that is healthy. And, if you have high cholesterol, you cut down some of this milk, but the avocado does give you a good boost of HDL. If you're looking for some, oh my God, this is so yummy. It's cold, but I hope you'll give it a try and let me know how yours turn out. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.